Hi guys, so here with a new video um, presenting our new pwa-studio module, a payment module, um, PayPal to be specific. So we are going to check out on a basic website without the module, and then after I will show you, I will install the module and we'll see what will happen. So let's check out. So as you can see, by default, there is only the Stripe payment module here. So we are going to add PayPal and refresh the page, and normally PayPal should be displayed here. So for that, let me just copy this. I will stop the local pwa-studio server. Let's split the screen. And so the module will be in this directory, so extension PayPal. At the parent directory from the root pwa-studio project. So I'm going to run the yarn command line from the pwa-studio project. I don't know if so that's because I have tweaked my local package JSON. So you shouldn't have this error, but we are going to force this in order to install our module. So this will install our PayPal module with the requirements. So the PayPal React package and such. So we are going OH. Normally, when we will refresh the page, the PayPal payment should be added to the already existing Stripe one. So this build can take a lot of time. Okay, we open already. So here we are going to refresh. And already you can see that the PayPal checkout has been added. So we are going to select this one. And we will check out like this. You can, even here, you can pay with a credit card. Let's test this. This is the first time I'm doing this test. So the PayPal provides a default credit card payment number. So we are going to select Visa and enter the information provided here. So you can generate a new one if you like. The expiration date, yes, and then so that should be it. So we are going to pay. And as you can see, the payment has been done. So we are going to complete the payment in order to validate the payment. So as you can see, the order has been placed. So in a minute, I will show you. So if you go in the backend, the back office of the Magento, this is the order we just placed. So it has been the amount has been captured from PayPal. So alternatively, you can tweak your PayPal configuration. So we set this the payment action to authorize and capture for the PayPal Smart buttons, but more importantly, you should choose wisely this option, because if you choose the authorization, the payment will just be authorized and PayPal will capture it depending on your configuration at PayPal, the time you specified. But if you select, like in this example, sales, it will capture the amount right away. So this has been captured. And the model is flexible. So if you choose authorization here, the intent, the capture method will be authorized. So it will not take right away the amount from the client, the customer account, PayPal account. So this also you need to fill these fields. Obviously, this is the default Magento PayPal module. So it's by default in Magento source code. You just have to activate it if not done. By default, it is activated. You have to fill this field, which will have been added by our custom module, our custom our custom Magento module. I can show you that. If you buy the module, the paid version of the module, this will come with it. So you just have to install this one and follow the instruction in order to generate a client key in order to fill in these fields. So that's all for this video. Hope some of you will need this module and buy it. So that's all for this video. Take care. See you.